In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Gmail for Mac Windows. If your inbox feels a little cramped or you want to see more messages at once, zooming out in your browser is the quickest way to get more on the screen without changing any Gmail settings. Start by opening your Gmail inbox in your preferred web browser on your Mac or Windows PC. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whichever you normally use. With Gmail open, the simplest way to zoom out is with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, hold down the Control key and tap the minus key. Each press lowers the zoom level a notch, making the Gmail interface smaller so more content fits in view. You can press it a few times to gradually step down until it looks right. On a Mac, do the same action with the Command key and the minus key. Again, every tap nudges the zoom down, and you'll see your message list and side panel get more compact as you go. This is your browser zoom, so it affects the current tab you're viewing and lets you fine-tune the size quickly. If you prefer using menus, you can adjust the zoom from your browser's top menu bar. Click View, then look for the zoom option and choose Zoom Out. As you use the menu controls, most browsers show a percentage so you get clear, visual confirmation of exactly how far you've zoomed. Keep selecting Zoom Out until your inbox feels comfortable. A slightly smaller view often reduces scrolling and gives you a better overview of your emails and conversation threads. If you go too far and things get tiny, you can easily zoom back in using the opposite shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and the plus key. On a Mac, press Command and the plus key. Use a couple of taps to bring text and buttons back to a readable size. You can switch between these at any time, depending on whether you need a big picture overview or larger text for readability. These keyboard shortcuts and the menu options work not only in Gmail but across almost all websites in your browser. That means once you're comfortable with them, you can use the same approach wherever you browse. And that's it. Open Gmail, zoom out with the keys or the View menu, and adjust until your inbox layout matches what you need for the moment: more density for scanning, or a closer look when you're focused on details.